As time goes by, flexible pavements naturally age due to the oxidation of the asphalt binder. To combat this aging and to protect the road surface, we apply thin treatments. It's important to note that maintaining the surface in this way is not only cost-effective, but also more environmentally friendly, as it results in lower emissions compared to the traditional approach of milling and filling.
Asphalt emulsion is a crucial component in maintaining flexible pavements. It is essentially a mixture of soap solution and asphalt binder. We use asphalt emulsion in different ways, such as spraying it onto a surface for fog seals or chip seals, or mixing it with fine aggregate for slurry seals or microsurfacing. These treatments are designed to rejuvenate or restore the road surface.
Some pavements need more than just surface treatments, they need structural treatments. Traditionally, agencies remove and replace materials, but instead of taking all that material, having to ship it out and then ship all new material back in, there are various rehabilitation treatments available for flexible pavements. Treatments such as hot-in-place recycling, cold-in-place recycling, and full-depth reclamation use in-place material in order to rehabilitate your pavement structure.
In place recycling, the existing pavement layers are mixed with a stabilizing agent. These stabilizing agents are categorized as asphalt emulsions, asphalt foams, or Portland cement. In our lab, existing pavement material is mixed with these stabilizing agents, and the samples are compacted. After compaction, samples are ready to be tested.
In the context of evaluating in-place materials, we have a variety of tests at our disposal. These tests, although resembling those conducted on traditional asphalt mixtures, yield different results owing to the semi-bound nature of rehabilitation treatments. Nonetheless, it is vital that we quantify essential characteristics like cracking resistance, rotting resistance, moisture susceptibility, and other durability parameters.
Relatively few new roads are being built. A lot of the work we're doing now is with existing roads. I believe that if we do a better job of taking care of roads that are in good condition, we can extend the life of our pavement network at a reduced cost with fewer emissions. That's not realistic, however, with all of our roads, and for the roads that are not in good condition, we can use innovative in-place recycling techniques in order to reduce costs and reduce emission to extend the life of our existing pavement network.